Hello everyone and welcome for today's video tutorial. In this video guide, we will learn how to use Shopify for product launches. In this video, we will cover the key concepts and provide step-by-step instructions on leveraging Shopify to successfully launch your products. So let's jump right in. But first, let me introduce to you the key concepts we need to understand for a successful product launch using by Shopify. First, what is Shopify? Shopify is an e-commerce platform that enables entrepreneurs and businesses to create and manage their online stores. With its user-friendly interface and powerful features, Shopify allows you to build a professional online presence, showcase your products, and manage sales effectively. Next, product launch. A product launch is the process of introducing a new product to the market. It involves creating buzz, generating excitement, and effectively marketing your product to potential customers. Shopify provides the tools and resources to streamline your product launch and maximize its success. Third, setting up your Shopify store or store setup. So this is the first step we need to do towards a successful product launch. It involves choosing a theme that aligns with your brand, customizing the design and layout, adding essential pages such as the home page, product page, and contact page, and configuring your store settings. So if you want to learn how to set up your store, you can watch our previous video about Shopify. But for now, let's go to the fourth key concept, and that is product management. Efficient product management is crucial for a smooth product launch. Shopify allows you to add and manage your product easily. You can upload product images, write compelling descriptions, set prices, manage inventory, and organize products into categories for a seamless shopping experience. Fifth is marketing and promotion. Marketing and promotion are essential components of a successful product launch. Shopify provides marketing features to help you reach your target audience, including email marketing, social media integrations, discount codes, and search engine optimization tools. Next is sales channels. Expanding your reach beyond your online store is vital for a product launch. Shopify offers multiple sales channels such as social media platforms, marketplaces like Amazon and eBay, and in-person sales through point-of-sales POS systems. Utilizing these channels help you reach a wider audience and increase sales. And lastly, analytics and insights. Tracking and analyzing data is crucial to measure the success of your product launch and make informed decisions. Luckily, Shopify provides built-in analytics and insights that allow you to monitor sales, track customer behavior, identify popular products, and understand your store's performance. Now that we understand key concepts, let's dive into the step-by-step process of using Shopify for product launches. Step 1. Store setup. Start by setting up your Shopify store. Choose a theme that reflects your brand, identity, customize the design and layout, configure your store settings, including payment and shipping options. Step 2. Product management. Next, add and manage your products. Upload high-quality product images, write compelling descriptions, set prices, manage inventory, and organize products into categories for easy navigation. Step 3. Marketing and promotion. Develop a comprehensive marketing and promotion strategy. Utilize Shopify's built-in features like email marketing campaigns, social media integrations, discount codes, and SEO optimization to drive traffic and generate buzz around your product launch. Step 4 is for sales channels. Expand your reach by leveraging Shopify sales channels. Connect your store to social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, sell on marketplaces like Amazon and eBay, and set up in-person sales through POS systems for a multi-channel selling approach. Step 5 is the pre-launch preparation. Prepare for your product launch by creating a pre-launch strategy. Build anticipation by offering exclusive previews, early bird discounts, or limited time offers to generate excitement and incentivize early purchases. Step 6, launch day execution. On the day of your product launch, ensure everything is in place. Test the purchasing process, update your marketing channels with launch announcements, engage with customers through social media, and be prepared to handle increased customer inquiries. And for last step, we have post-launch analysis. After the launch, analyze the performance of your product using Shopify's analytic and insights. Monitor sales data, track customer behavior, identify popular products, and gather customer feedback to refine your strategy and optimize future launches. Now, we have a solid understanding of how to use Shopify for product launches. By effectively setting up your store, managing products, implementing marketing strategies, leveraging sales channels, and analyzing performance, you can launch your product successfully and drive growth for your business. And that's how we can use Shopify for product launch. So if you want to learn more details about Shopify, so you can watch our previous video on our channel. So if you like this kind of video and want to be updated for more, so you can click like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.